Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 101, Colours. This is another lateral thinking puzzle, and the reason I keep uploading them is because I'm receiving some very good feedback. You like doing the puzzles, so if that's the case, I'll keep uploading them. Let's see how you go with this one. In what situation would you proceed when the colour is red, but stop when the colour is green? A clue will be given on the next slide. So in about 2 minutes' time, I will give you a clue if you need it. So please persist and try and solve it yourself. It's very satisfying when you do that. So in 2 minutes' time, I'll give you a clue. Okay, as promised, here is your clue if you need it, and if you've solved it or you think you've solved it, congratulations. Here is your clue if you need it. In what situation would you proceed when the colour is red, but stop when the colour is green? And the clue, I am edible. So the answer is on the next slide. So in 1 minute's time, I will give you the answer, and hopefully you might solve it before then. Okay, as promised, here is the answer. That's if you haven't solved it, and if you have, congratulations. Here we go. In what situation would you proceed when the colour is red, but stop when the colour is green? And the answer, when eating a watermelon. How tricky is that? And as you look at that watermelon there, and you see the two colours that I've mentioned, the answer becomes quite obvious. But I think that was a little bit tricky. Congratulations if you solved that one. If you would like to subscribe to my channel or access another puzzle, you can do so on the next slide, and I'll go there right now.